Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to withdraw money from crypto.com to your bank account. First, you need to sell your crypto for fiat money. Open the crypto.com app on your phone. On the main screen, tap on Trade, then tap on Sell. You will now see a list of your cryptocurrencies. Select the one you want to sell. After that, choose your fiat currency, for example USD, as the payment method. Carefully review the details on the screen, including the amount you will receive. When you are ready, confirm the sell order. Next, you need to set up your bank account if you have not done it before. Go to Accounts, then open your fiat wallet. Tap on Transfer, then Withdraw, and choose Fiat. Select your currency again. If this is your first time, you will be asked to link your bank account. Once your bank account is linked, you are ready to withdraw. Select your linked bank account from the list. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. Take a moment to review all details on the confirmation screen, including any possible fees or processing times. Finally, confirm the withdrawal using your passcode and two-factor authentication. Your request will be processed, and the funds will be sent to your bank account. Thanks for watching.